Unlock the secret to instant mood lighting. Hey everyone! Are you ready to transform your space with just a flick of a switch? Today, we're diving into the amazing world of color-changing bulbs. Creating the right atmosphere in your home can significantly influence how you feel and function. Whether you're unwinding after a long day, gearing up for a party, or trying to focus while working, the right lighting can truly make a difference. Color-changing bulbs are a fun and easy way to enhance any room. Each color sets a unique vibe. Soft blues and greens can help you feel calm and relaxed, making them perfect for winding down. In contrast, bright yellows and oranges can energize you and spark creativity, ideal for workspaces or party settings too. Many of these bulbs can be controlled right from your smartphone or smart home devices. Imagine changing the color of your lights without even getting up. How cool is that? 3. Think about what you're celebrating. If you're hosting a romantic dinner, soft pinks or reds create the perfect mood. Planning a game night? Bright colors like blue and green can bring a lively atmosphere. 4. Combine different colors and brightness levels to add depth and interest to your space. For instance, pairing dim warm tones with brighter, cooler accents creates a more dynamic look. 5. These bulbs aren't just stylish, they're also energy efficient. You'll save on your electricity bill while enjoying a beautiful atmosphere. 1. Choose your bulbs. Pick a set of color-changing bulbs that fit your lamps or fixtures. 2. Download the app. Install the app that connects to your bulbs, allowing you to control them from your phone. 3. Experiment. Play around with different colors and settings until you find what feels right for you. 4. Set up scenes. Save your favorite settings for various occasions like relax or party modes. Be careful not to exceed the wattage in your fixtures. Remember, it's not just about brightness, colors matter too. Test different shades to see what mood they create. Keep in mind to change things up. Your mood and needs can shift, so keep your lighting fresh, and there you have it. With just a few simple changes, you can create the perfect mood in your space anytime. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on tech gadgets and home hacks. Happy lighting! If your bulbs come with an app, be sure to download it. This gives you complete control over colors, brightness, and scheduling. Don't hesitate to try out different colors and settings. Play around to discover what feels best for you. Create custom scenes for various activities, whether it's relaxing, working, or entertaining. Using too many colors at once can be overwhelming, so stick to a few that complement each other. Remember, it's not just about the color. Ensure the brightness levels are comfortable for your eyes, especially in work or reading spaces. So there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can set the perfect mood using color-changing bulbs. Are you ready to transform your space? Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fantastic tips on tech gadgets. 1 http